Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name.
So let's hop right into this video. Basically, before I work out, I make sure I put on my waist belt. I actually got this at a place in Dallas, so if you want to know the exact place, look in the description box below and I'll leave the information down there. But this really helps while working out. It helps you keep your core tight and your back straight, all that good stuff. So I make sure I have this on, and then I also make sure I put on my workout gloves. Like, these two things are a must for me at the gym. You guys wanted to know what I do at the gym, so I make sure I really stretch before I start working out. I probably spend like at least 10 minutes stretching right before I actually hit my workouts. Now, you guys do not get on me for not knowing the exact names of every simple workout, but right here I'm just going to be taking a 10-pound weight, and then I'm doing these lunges. They kind of look like what those you know, those people do in basketball, whatever. I'm not sure what that's called either, but I just take the 10-pound weight and just do lunges with them like this.
Try to change it now. Say you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home.
So next I'm going to be doing squat walks. These burn so bad, especially when you're doing them backwards. So I make sure I get about 50 of these bad boys in, going forward and backwards.
If nobody's holding you back from me.
Next, I'm going to be doing some good old-fashioned lunges. I'm just going to be doing 50 lunges. Okay, I'm really not sure what this bad boy is called, but this burns like I do not know what. But I make sure I push this around probably about 10 times. Okay, so here we are getting on the ropes of death. Like, this, I believe, is straight cardio. I mean, you can sweat in less than like 30 seconds just by pulling on these ropes. I remember when I first started, I could barely do this for like 5 seconds because it burns so freaking bad. But now I love this. I feel like it helps my arms, my back, and everything. But this sucker burns. It burns.
Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. If no one is around, say my name. Around you, no one is around.
So here we are on the ropes of death, twin brother. Okay, now this exercise is very hardcore, but it gets the job done. Like, for real, as you can see, it takes a lot. This is like a full body workout right here. And I make sure I go as hard as I can for as long as I can. I never time it. I just make sure I just always push myself every single time. So this next exercise I'm about to do, I like to call it the katana exercise because I feel like I'm pulling swords out every time. So I think this is like one of my favorite exercises to do. It really helps my arms and my back.
Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I never say that I have to do the things. I'm slowing down just the way it seems. Somebody acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me.
So this machine helps my arms. I like to put the weights on 50 and do probably about 3 sets of 15. It's all about control with this machine, but I really like it, and I'm super random all the time, so sometimes I just like burst out into like just random stuff. That's just kind of who I am. So next we're going to do a shoulder exercise. I grab some 5-pound weights and just get going.
Say my name, kinda shady, ain't calling me baby, why the sudden change?
So clearly I wanted you guys to see actually like what this exercise does. This really like tones up your arms and everything. So for the next exercise, we're going to be working on the arms again. I like to call this like the party starter. It really reminds me of like in cheerleading when you're like hyping the crowd on game nights and everything. Like you're trying to just get the crowd to pay attention. Crowd participation. So yeah, these suckers really burn too, as you can see. Look at my face. Oh my goodness. But you can go up on the weights if the 5 pounds are like too light for you, but I'm just working on like just toning my arms. Nothing serious.
It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question.
Alright, we gotta make sure we get that back. You know what I'm saying? I put this machine also on 50. I really don't lift over 50 pounds, and this just targets my back. Gotta get that back right for summer. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to work on the arms a little. I'm going to be grabbing 5-pound weights, and I'm going to be doing this motion right here, which is called around the world. I normally do this probably about 30 to 35 times. So next I'll be lifting 15 pounds, and then I do this probably for about maybe like the same rep, 30 to 35 times. Now, you know, we can't forget about the abs, you feel me? I do about 60 of these, and I think 60 is like my limit before I like croak over. So right here I'm going to be taking a 10-pound weight and once again focusing on the abs. I do about 30 on each side.
Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name.
You know that feeling when you had a good workout and it's almost over and you're ready to go sit down and take a shower? You feel me? That's what I'm feeling like right now. You can't forget about the treadmill. I really don't like this machine, but hey, it works. I like to start off doing like a little incline, little power walk, and then I do a jog. So I'm probably on the treadmill for about 15 minutes, and then I am done. As you can tell by my face, we are officially done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for requesting this video. I was really surprised that you guys wanted to see what I actually do in the gym, since I'm in here almost every other day. I'm not at my goal yet, but I've been seeing progress, and I am like really happy with that because I've been so consistent with going to the gym and working on me. So I'm really happy with my progress so far. So if you want like an in-depth detailed gym video, if you want more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section below and we will work something out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.